upper side where you can feel everything that you want to feel: vegetables, meat, oily or watering product. The second part is the spiral plate where the dough will be for pressing up and filling with your product. This last part is the last stage is with the making dumplings and samosa also. Alright, when the machine turns on, we have to turn the green light over here. So the filling product and the dough will be processed all together at the same time. The last stage over here has to be filled with the flour in the top of the hopper and also in the lower part of the making machine. At the end, when the filling and the dough are being really succeed, you can have some dumpling and samosa all together. As you can see, the samosa over here on my right hand and the dumpling on my left hand. We have two machines for doing a dumpling. This machine already installed is the samosa, but you can also install it to put the other machine to do a dumpling. So it depends on you if you want to do the dumpling one, which the size and a stuffed dumpling actually is made of. And also this last part is the samosa machine for making samosa actually. If there is any question, don't hesitate to ask us and feel free to contact inside Greatcity. Hope that you will enjoy this video and see you next time to one of your Bye.